The HERON LITE carrying case is robust and compact. When opening the case, you can see that any components have their own location. Here, the touchscreen control unit, the cable to connect the sensor head with battery and control unit, the battery bag that contains the battery for powering the sensor. On the top is the port to plug in the DC jack. The power button is on the side. A display shows the charger level in percentage, the voltage and the charging power in watts, unless a load is connected. Otherwise, the provided power will be displayed. Remember that the voltage must always be set to 12 volts. We proceed with the belt to hold the battery bag and the pole pocket holder, the shoulder harness to support the control unit without ends, hooking it with 4 carabiners, the quick-release adapter to connect the capture head with the pole by clamping the first and screwing the second, the handheld telescopic pole to hold the capture head, the capture head, in the bottom, IMU and connections with adapter and cables are located. On the top is the panoramic camera and in the middle is the laser sensor. At the end, AC adapters to charge the control unit and sensor batteries.